How to build personal brand. First of all, we should know what is personal branding. It means how people perceives you, your skills and your values. If done right, it will help you to stand out in your career, business or anywhere you go out there. Now, the question is how you can do this. There are certain steps if you follow them correctly and consistently, because consistency is the key. We all know that. Then definitely you can build your personal brand. Step number 1. This is the foundation of your journey of building personal brand. In general, foundation how it should be. So the simple answer is it should be strong, so strong. First of all is identifying your strength and skills at which you are good. Then it comes to your passion, like what excites you or what you always want to do without getting bored. Then pinpoint your unique skills or values that makes you stand out in the crowd of at least 100 people. Then decide your target audience, like whom you're going to serve or influence. It comes to step number 2, which is about shaping your identity. But how you can shape your identity? The answer is very simple but not easy one. You have to form a one-line statement, which is also called the personal brand statement, that describes you. For example, I help students and beginners to understand personal branding in a simple way. Now, let's move to the third step, where you will show your skills and values that you learned and you are good at. You can choose one or two platforms where you can create your original content, like you can teach, explain and simplify complex things in a simple way. You can use YouTube or LinkedIn or even Instagram. Now it's time to make your online presence. Why this is important? Because in this technological era, if you don't have online presence, then you cannot maximize your potential. But the question is how you can make your online presence. It's very simple. You just have to optimize your social media profiles, write clear bios, use straightforward keywords that describes you. For example, I'm a musician, or for example, I'm a blogger, I'm a video editor, like this, and post consistently at least 1 or 2 times a week, because it will help you to grow faster and will increase your reach drastically. Now, it's time to connect with other people of your niche who are better than you. Why this is important? Because it will help you to grow faster and will also make you confident and teach you so many things that you cannot learn without this. I'm telling you 4 ways that you can use to connect with other people of your niche. These 4 ways are most effective. There are many ways, but these are most effective. You can use them. Comment on others' posts, collaborate with other people, attend offline and online seminars and events. Step number 6, maintain authenticity. Don't copy others blindly. Create your own original content, do some research work, share both success and struggle stories, because people love to connect with real stories, and stay consistent in your values and in your content. Now, let's come to the step number 7. This is a not important step, but it will help you in faster growth. Track your growth, for example, your followers, subscribers, engagement. This will give you an insight that what your audience is interested in. See what content performs best so that you can shape your upcoming content like the previous one. Improve your skills like public speaking, storytelling, editing, and all. Thank you so much for watching till end. This was my first video. I'll come back with a new video. Till now, keep working on growth and remember, hard work always pays off. Thank you so much.